party people, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I fill in my sparse eyebrows. I have little to no eyebrow hair and it's very frustrating for me because your girl gotta fill in her eyebrows everywhere she go. But I'm here to show you guys how I do so with this quick and easy tutorial. This is gonna be like a voiceover slash talk through video. Hope you guys don't mind that. But I usually start off with outlining my eyebrows with a pencil that I get from the beauty supply warehouse, my local beauty store. After I do the outline, I like to go in with my TattooStudio Maybelline pomade. I have no idea why I have like such thin eyebrows because I have so much hair on my head, but my eyebrows are just really thin. However, having thin eyebrows isn't always a bad thing because I could always like recreate my shape to what I'm feeling like I want it to be. Then I'm going to take my concealer. This is LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn. I usually blend it out with my beauty blender after I do my full face, like my base. However, I decided to blend it out before I did my full face because I thought I was just going to show you guys how I do my eyebrows. But then I decided to do a full face and then show you guys what I do afterwards. So that's what's up. I'm going to go finish doing my face and then I'm going to come back and show you guys how I like clean it up. I just did like a simple beat on my face today. I'm not really going anywhere special. It's just like an errands day, so I just did like a simple beat. If you want to see a video of me doing my everyday makeup routine, I have a bunch of videos on my channel that I can link with this video so you guys can see that. But yeah, so once I do like my whole base, like obviously my eyebrows, they get kind of like all over the place just because I do them before I do my face. So I like to go in afterwards and clean them back up. So I start with like the pencil. Just to make sure everything is like straight, you know? And then I use my little eyebrow brush to just make sure the product is distributed evenly. Yes. I like to take this brush that I use to do contour on my nose, so it has like leftover contour product, so I like to just go over my eyebrows with it just to give my eyebrows a more softer effect. And then final touch, I like to use mascara to comb them out.
to give it like a little highlight. Like that. But you have to be really careful when you use the mascara. Sometimes it kind of gets too much product. And I use setting spray. Go in with some highlighter. Today I'm going to use Black Radiance palette. And not finishing touches. And then I do under my eyebrow bone to give it that little pop. Yes.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys like videos like this. Please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, tell other party people you know. And until next time, party people, adios.